សួស្តីអ្នកនរគ្នាអាទិត្យនេះខ្ញុំមានវីដេអូថ្មី I'm making a rug for my boss Yeah, boss.
Love was a grain, and we fell into deep.
And our rug is finished. Basa. Our rug is finished. This is the behind. Basa rug. Bro. OMG. This is cool as hell. How ya project? Basa. Oh, copsary. Dang. Sad. Give a thumbs up for it. Bro, this is cool as hell. Who is Barca fan is going to be like this rug. Especially for the person I'm going to give. Is the person that I most look up to, yeah. Bro, oh my god. This is clean. Lord. Next step is glue time តាមងលាបកាវម្ដងកាវបានលាបរួចរាល់ហើយ See you tomorrow ជួបគ្នាថ្ងៃស្អែក boss and កាយយើងឥឡូវនេះស្ងួតហើយ bro ស្រឹងកឈឹ and it's time to cut Damn, bro. Tom. Bro, it's big as hell. Yup. No, Tom chuyện này không được. Cọp xử rồi. Cool looking. Barca. Everyone is a Barca friend. Everyone is a Barca friend. Please like this video. Damn. Barca. This is Barca. If who don't know it. Nah, fan Barca class. Please like this video. Bro, this is Barca. Oh, like up. Sheesh. Look at the detail of it. It's blue. This is chim choke. This is kind of yellow. This is yellow, red. Okay. Next step is shape time. ជំហានបន្ទាប់យើងត្រូវខោវា
Having trouble sleeping 'cause these dark nights don't keep you up as they always used to do. When I'm falling from good night, will you catch me before the fall? Without you, I'm terrified.
ស្តីអ្នកនរគ្នាអាទិត្យនេះខ្ញុំមានវីដេអូថ្មី I'm making a vlog for my boss ខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើ promo ឲ្យលោកតកែbecause is his birthday កាលថ្ងៃទី2ខែ11គឺខួបកំណើតគាត់ខ្ញុំបានធ្វើ prom birthday ឲ្យគាត់មួយខ្ញុំដឹងថាគាត់គឺជា fan Messi so I gonna make a birthday logo for him yeah ចាំមើលទាំងអស់គ្នាថា what it look like and this is it our rug clean ខ្ញុំបានធ្វើរយៈពេលរៀងយូរបន្តិចដែរពីអាទិត្យ not bad looking cool clean as hell មើលឡើងទាំងអស់ clean this is Basse and I have writing a note for him also លើនឹងមានសរសេរថា老板生日快乐祝老板身体健康生意兴隆 yeah and យើងនឹង wrap it up and យកដាក់លើតុឲ្យគាត់ចាំពេលគាត់មកវិញគាត់នឹងឃើញកាដូខុបណាត់របស់គាត់ stay tuned ខ្ញុំនឹង wrap it up and then put on his table and យើងនឹងយកដាក់លើតុ and that is it for our video បើអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចូលចិត្តវីដេអូមួយនេះ don't forget to like and subscribe ម្នាក់មួយផង bye bye stay tuned លើកក្រោយខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើក្រុមរូបថ្មីទៀតរូបអ្វីឲ្យអ្នកគេថ្មីទៀត and stay tuned bye bye